Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another clean with me. Yes, another one. I really like the clean with me videos. They're so fun to make and my house gets clean in the process. So anyway, that lighting just switched. But let me know if you guys like this kind of video, like the more vlog style, or if you just like me filming it and doing a voiceover. I can do whichever one. They're both the same amount of work and I both like them just the same. So anyway, let me know. Subscribe if you're new. I'm new too. I said it in my last video that I'm new. So we can be new together, we can be friends. But like the video, comment, whatever you want to do. Okay, this one is gonna have my little baby in it. Say hi. Okay, I have a bit of a problem with cleaning products, so my husband had to make me a shelf. But this is my favorite scent from the Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena. I hated the smell when I first tried it, and now I'm addicted to it. Like, I have to have that smell in my house at all times. Also going to grab Method Bathroom Cleaner and Indust. I'm just gonna load them into my little caddy to take upstairs.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free. Let's just do
Let me see your leg. What'd you do? Did you color all over it? Everly, where's your tummy? Where's your hair? Show me your hands. Where's your hands? Good girl. Where's your feet? Good job, baby. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's Everly's nose? Nose. Oh, good girl. High five. Yay! I love you. I love you. I love you.
for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
I'm back from getting Jaden. Say hi.
Hi.
I had to change my shirt because I was sweating so much. I didn't have time to start his room or any other room. I was gonna be late to get him. So we're gonna do his room now. Then which room should we do?
Your room.
No, we're gonna do the upstairs room. Okay, say peace out.
Peace out.
Emily wants to say bye too. Hi, Emily. Okie dokie.
Oh, Emily.
This is gonna be bad. Let me hold your hand. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Emily, oh dear. Okay. And okay guys, check out this cool mom hack. So I go in usually on Sundays and see what the weather's gonna be for the week and kind of plan my son's outfits ahead of time. And then Sunday night I'll go through and put an outfit for each day in each rectangle. And in the mornings he just goes, picks out an outfit and puts it on and he's good to go. So if you have a child that's maybe 4 or 5, this might be a really good idea for them.
Story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we get cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us know tonight.
I left her alone for 2 seconds and she took all the toilet paper off. Also, look how creepy this looks. It looks like a crime scene, but Jaden has these bath crayons. But if you didn't know that, you'd think it was a crime scene. So let me just say that right now.
I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home. 'Cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Everly, what did you do?
Good.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song.
Okay guys, that's gonna be all for my video today. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know down below or message me if you guys like this with the vlog a little bit better, or if you like when I record it and just do a full voiceover. So just let me know what you guys prefer and I will be happy to do those. And if you have any other video suggestions that you'd like to see me do, then leave those in the comments as well. And subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
To get your love. Hey,